the chart you want to share and explain about the market approach, please ask your query. Or anybody willing to present the context from my mentorship team also welcome and utilize this particular platform to share your presentation as well.
Sir Suresh
Yes,
here.
Suresh.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Yeah. So when while we are trading,
Mm,
the main hurdle that we are facing is that during the trade is the sideways market. Okay.
yes.
So is there any way that we can able to identify earlier?
Yes, yes. Definitely.
Hmm.
Definitely we can able to know what is the current approach you are following.
Because
Any of the day
when
you
you
can
look,
give it the example.
okay, 1 minute, I will find out.
So I want to know what is your current approach. Then will I can able to tell this is right approach or not.
Okay. So I can see few days like in the on the 2nd of May.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
First 15 minutes, the market was like overreacting, and
mm.
then later it falls into a range mode.
Okay.
Okay, it's in a consolidation mode. So how we can identify earlier that market will be in consolidation?
Okay. So you are referring Bank Nifty chart or Nifty chart?
Yeah, I am referring Bank Nifty.
Okay. This is the chart, right? Bank Nifty. So my chart is visible to
Okay.
everyone. Okay. So what is your context here? Before entering the 2nd May, what is your context here?
Mm,
What is your preparation? The context means nothing is a preparation.
okay. So first thing is I have a single print which is on the upside. That is on 29th. I have single print,
Mm,
and then the market moved a lot on that day.
mm, mm.
Okay, on
Okay.
30th I have buying tail, sorry, selling tail.
Mm, mm. Okay. So it's not
Okay,
selling tail, baby rejection. It's not selling tail.
yeah, okay,
It's a
okay,
rejection.
okay, yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Mm.
Then when you look onto that, it's a B profile
Okay.
also.
So after the rejection, but actually it's not a B profile. First they created
Mm.
a D profile, then
Mm.
rejection, then overall shape is like a B. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
But you can't say this as a B profile.
We can tell this is a B profile. Once people
Mm.
started the market profile, we have to
Mm.
always look on the inside of the profile. So how the auction process happened for the particular day. If the
Mm.
what is the auction process happened for the particular day is a D, right? It's not B. Later is rejected.
Okay. Okay.
So then only we
Okay.
can able to understand that this is the D profile.
Mm.
This is the D profile, not B. But anyway, while you are seeing is a B profile, always we have to look is a B or D. Okay, similarly is a P or is a Q. Okay,
Okay.
so there is a differences in the approach. While we are seeing the visually is a B, while we are investigate, we can see is a D. While we are seeing as a P, while we investing, that will be as a Q. The Q is the downside auction. P is the upside auction. B is the downside auction. D is the upside auction.
Okay.
Okay. So D is the upside auction. then the rejected happens. Yeah, you can tell in yes also we can tell the name, Suresh. Not a problem. It's our own. It's we have to own understanding for us. While we are telling the B, we always thinking is a downside option. Okay, basically understand.
Okay.
If we had the point D, then we can think is a upside auction, then rejected and reverse. Okay, here the
Okay.
upside auction almost peak is got rejected. Okay, another point context preparation.
Then what happens is, so that's all I can see from uh, 29th and 30th.
Mm.
Mm.
So these are your references, right?
Yes.
So what is your approach? What is your preparation? How are you going to approach? Where your expectation open? If the opens this area, this is my approach.
On 20, on the 2nd May, it opened below value area of 30th. Okay.
Mm,
And then 30th is also VPPOC.
mm, mm.
Okay.
So we go by
So,
point by point, Suresh sir.
okay.
Okay. So because so all the members will be that will be help to all the members. First point, open. So open where
Okay.
happens
Below value area.
exactly your single
Single
print.
point.
And what if this is the first reference you told, right? Exactly at the single print. This single print behavior is what? Buy or sell.
So buy.
Buy. Okay. And next reference, this is the value, latest fair value. Latest fair value. Below the latest fair value, we have the open. That also open
Okay.
equal to low. So 2 points you are noted. Open equal to low, open at single print buy, and below the latest value area. Okay. What is your approach now? So one side you are seeing with this profile, Tashi Varman. Yes, raise your hand, please. Please unmute and ask your question. No problem. Okay. So based on this
Hello?
particular, yes,
Uh, Nothing, sir. Sir, I just wanted to ask you, like, after this thing, will you also be able to explain about the first, why the market was so range bound, and how do we identify that during the market that we should trade or not trade? And
yeah. Are you market profile trader?
I'm going to be.
Yeah. We can able to and see what is your current trading method? You are a price action trader or indicator trader?
Uh, Indicator, sir.
Okay, which indicator you are using?
Uh, Wipers with
Hmm.
uh,
So what is the method?
consolidation zone.
Currently, you have any method to identify the sideways?
Um, Nothing much. They say that we
Okay.
should read trending point,
Okay.
but trending point does
So
not give us.
I'm telling the one point here.
Yes, sir.
What is our market setup? Suresh sir, I will continue. Please a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So our underlying asset is there.
Mhm.
Correct. Bank Nifty or Nifty is our underlying asset.
Okay.
Okay. From the underlying asset, future is the derivative product. Correct.
Yes.
Based on the futuristic approach, options
Mhm.
are created. So
Yeah.
again, is a derivative product. Okay.
Yeah.
From the options table, we have lot of options. Okay. Based on these options, who are all interested to participate in these options, based on the open contract, we have the data of open interest.
Okay. Yes.
So which step you have? One, two, three, four, five. While you are sitting in the fifth step, you are asking question for the step one. Or you get the right answer?
No.
Because every second or every minute, every 15 minutes, the OA approach will be changes because the interest in this particular put side and call side will be dancing. So that's why we are facing some days we get a good strike. Some days will not happen. So the emotions of the trader will be always in the challenging part. That's why you are facing the challenge. Here the market profile, we only seeing this area. Okay, and we have the proper approach. More than 50 plus references we are learning, and each and every 50% references have the separate behavior, and we are practicing how to follow through, how to identify the acceptance and the rejection. These are the knowledge you are making the more sufficient knowledge how to identify the auction strength. So once the auction strength happens, only the OA will be reflect.
Okay.
Hope I answered the question.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So இங்க நம்ம open stage, yeah, here the open stage, open equal to low at previous day buying single print, and also below of the previous day value area. Correct. These are the approach. So while this finding this approach, Suresh sir, what is our
Okay.
what is our thinking whether it's a bearish or bullish?
It's a bullish.
Yeah, the first we are thinking actually below the value area, the concept is bearish. Correct. The
Yes.
open is a bearish open, but while we are utilizing this reference, we are changing our approach.
Okay.
If
Right.
people who missed this reference, they will approach is the downside only. The people who prepared along with this context, then they know whether we need to check there is a possibilities to get the proper reversal, right? From here the close, here the open, possibilities for reversal. Okay. Then first 30 minutes, what happened? The upside
It
auction,
was
correct?
upside. Yeah. Yeah.
Upside auction. The first 30 minutes is a upside auction. Then slightly reduce, but almost positive close only. Okay. So open and close is a positive side only, correct?
Right.
Then after this is called our initial auction is open drive, correct?
Right.
Right. Then the next period is open. What the next period is doing? The next period is doing two-way auction. The auction gone down almost near to the A low, but not tested the open point. Then price gone up and again almost tested the when the rejection happened the L period of yesterday. The L period hop back is the one of the potential reference here. Hop back reference nearby again rejected, got the rejected and closed inside the A period. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So adding now A and B because now in the initial balance stage. So what is our approach? Above the A getting rejection. So if you are looking for upside, definitely we need above the 2-day high need the proper confirmation. Otherwise, no upside. Correct? And similarly, almost near the A, we are getting the rejection. So below the A, we need proper. So these two market confirmation we need. Otherwise, that will be a sideways. Correct?
So you mean to say that it's not broken initial balance of A and B? Like,
Yes. The auction itself
okay.
clearly guiding us A period upside auction, but A period upside auction not follow through by B period got the rejection from previous day reference, right? These are the previous day reference. This area we have the previous day reference. One second. open, one up, and while they entering the previous balance area, while entering the previous balance area, A period itself got rejection. Okay, but we think this normally happen. But B period almost came down. Okay,
Okay.
almost came down. Only 2 to 3 TPOs only is pending. Then again buying interest. The who given the buying interest at A period low. Similarly, they given the buying interest in the B period low as well. Okay, but the auction not able to cross the balance. Correct.
Correct.
A period getting rejection from the POC. B period getting the rejection from the balance. So what is your approach now? Both side, both side, responsive action.
Okay.
It's absent now. We need initiator, buy or initiative, sell. Clear?
Okay.
Hope I answered. That's why we can able to expect the sideways for the period of time. And once the E period is crossed the level but not able to close outside of AB. That's one of the indication. E period open, tested both side, but finally closed in the inside of the initial balance.
So you mean to say there is no trade on that day?
There is no trade for the direction.
Okay.
There is a trade for the direction.
But when will you confirm that there is no trade? Because there is a one E period which came outside, right?
Instead of asking, instead of having what is the indication to do the trade,
Mm.
you can change your question slightly.
Mm.
What the indication we got to trade?
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Mm.
this question will be the answer for that question. So we have to just try slightly. We will change our approach and seeing the market. Definitely, the way of thinking will be different as the auction process. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, we can follow the next day how we got the rejection. Also, we have the answer properly, right? Same approach you can apply for this day.
Mm.
Open. Okay. Test drive, but we got the rejection. How this day is getting rejection? Similar got rejection and closed here, and B period almost open equal to high, then the auction downside, then auction downside. Here we have the indication, right? Single print.
Yes.
And other facts, a lot of facts are that not only I believe the single print, I follow a lot of other facts also as my experience. Okay, at
Okay.
least we get
Mm.
one indication of single print. So we have to be looking only the strategy now. So while I'm understanding that we have to, these are the reference open drive or open test drive or open reject reversal or you can if you follow it. These are all is a open first 30 minutes only valid. Okay, if this validity need continue, we need same auction process continue from the B, then C. We can't take decide based on this particular action for the entire day. Example for these 2 days. Here open equal to low, good. Here open test drive, again rejected. This is the way market confusing in the tricky. While the opening the market, the OI will be showing the status of lot of call open interest are there. Immediately after 9:45, that will mention changes lot of put open interest day by step by step by step by step by interest. So that's why I'm not believe the other strategies or other indicators. I believe only the auction process. And my followers also
So,
same way I am guiding. Yes, sir.
so you mean
Anybody's?
to say like sorry, sir. You mean to say like without any other tool like volume or anything, so you can with based on only market profile, you can able to identify uh, the sideways
Yes.
market. That's what you mean to
Yes.
say?
I'm yes, I am following only market profile and volume profile. These both only I'm following.
Okay.
95% I'm following. Okay. Remaining 5% is the high level approach only. I'm using the other normal charts because we don't have enough data in my hand of market profile. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Request members to raise your questions so that useful to other members. Even I'm not believe order flow also, Suresh sir.
Okay.
Okay. But order flow
Okay.
we can able to follow in some extent, but there are also some challenges is there. Welcome, Shiva sir. So any other same similar instance you are faced in this week, you can share your experience so that that will be help to remaining members. And also announcing the who are all willing to join my mentorship, please message me and approach us through Telegram or any message. And people who are all not joined in our markets in profile group, you can give your Telegram ID. We can add in our markets in profile Telegram group. So hence lot of I have planned to have regular webinars to discuss about subjective questions from the members.
Sir, just I have one doubt
Yes,
on the
Arul sir.
May 2nd, might be the question will be repetition.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, like, for example, like the first three period, like always, I mean, there is shows like it will be in the sideways. But when
Mm.
normally when E breaks, you raise the question that what indicates to take that trade, correct? So it means
Mm.
like indicates means you mean like some single print something should be there. That's a
Yes, yes. The
okay.
basic as a beginner of the market profile. Okay, as a beginner of market profile, we have to follow the few of the basic indication. So once you become a expertise by day, you will see lot of references.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So as a beginner of the, so you are a recent batch from Sarunan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If recent batch from Sarunan is a foundation course, you are completing only the foundation of the market profile. So we have to continue our journey lot. So
Okay,
it's a initial stage of foundation means this is the first step. You are transforming yourself from either the price action trader or indicator trader or the other chart pattern trader or any other method. First, you are changing your approach to as a market profile, how to read the market profile, how to understand the market profile for the recent 2 3 days only you are aware. So what I am telling, you should be elaborate yourself and make more days how to understand the profile to identify the trend as well. Okay.
okay,
So for example, here you asked a question, right? I don't want to disappoint you. What is this? This is the one balance is there, right?
correct.
So if you're thinking the single print is broken, that's not enough. Who is the cause for the single print? This balance is the cause for the single print. Okay.
Okay, okay, got it.
So even you've taken the trade, you should once you see this reaction, then you have to reduce our position or put the stop loss strictly.
Okay,
Maybe the chances for going up also.
okay, okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So any other questions from my members? You can feel free, utilize whenever the time you are got, you can utilize to get some clarifications.
Sir, can we discuss on that volume profile query which I had posted?
Volume profile. See, in your volume profile, what is your doubt? So uh,
Yeah.
here the volume
Okay.
profile is there. Here is volume profile is there.
Okay.
Hmm. So if your
Yeah. So in
volume
that
profile is
picture,
there, in that picture, this is the one of the high volume node. You have to think. You don't see
yeah.
the numbers and all. You can see the shape. This is the high volume node. This is the high volume node. Okay. These are the areas are how we are using the fair value, right, in our market profile. Similarly, will be act as a fair value. These are the area.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way we have to approach the volume profile. For example, I change the view. This is the swing low, right? You can adjust your screen from swing low to high. Okay. So where the major volume are happens, this is the area, right?
Yeah.
After the market gone up, right? Similarly, next this is the high volume.
Mm.
So market is currently is where between this balance, right?
Yes.
So this is the way we have to use the volume profile.
Okay. Can we get some insights after? I mean, the indicator, the information I had on the screenshot was about the bid and ask volume.
The bid and ask is
So
volume,
is
so is a
there?
buy and sell volume, right? The each line have the
Yes.
different color. They are providing
Yeah.
how much the buy volume, how much the sell volume is coming. That's it. There is no other informations are there.
Okay. So, but one of the, I mean, in the
Some
either in the
lines
bid
you
side
have the
or
no
the
sell volume, only the buy volume. That is the more buy volume
exactly.
only is indicating the day, right? That's only that's all. Okay.
So
Don't
yeah, my
confuse
question
that.
here is: so
Mm.
if there is a bid, I mean, if there is a zero in the bid volume, does it
Mm.
indicate that the market is going to reverse, or maybe in the
No,
other
no,
way around?
don't take that approach. I shared my knowledge,
Uh-huh.
right? How to see the uh, how to utilize that particular volume profile. For example, this is a Reliance profile. Okay, this is a Reliance profile. We can draw in the
Okay.
trading itself is a volume profile. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So once the price rejected from this balance, so here also two different color, right?
Yes.
Mm. Once the price rejected from this profile, what happened? After crossing this balance, okay,
Still goes down.
till so
Yeah.
so this particular volume is not enough to stop the market. This particular volume is not enough to stop the market. Okay, market is completely out of balance. That's why searching for the new balance. Correct. Here
Yeah.
the new balance.
Sir, sorry for interruption. Sir, during the trading, we cannot know, right? Volume
No,
is
no,
not enough, or
we have to prepare it, Suresh. We have to prepare it. I will share the same view in our Nifty chart or Bank Nifty chart. We can able to prepare. We have. That's why I'm telling. We are not yet started finding the way how to see. We still we are fixing the mind. No way for in the while we are running the market. No way for us. No, no. We have to prepare us where can identify this particular approach. See,
one minute, sir. So, for example, once we are in the during the trading, once we are started our day for trading, so there are lot
Mm.
many possibilities where we can
Step
expect the
by
market
step by
to.
step by step reference we have to follow. Simple, don't complex. See here, this is the swing low, right? This is the swing low. Market goes up. Considering the timeline, I am using this market profile. Sorry, volume profile. Otherwise, I will use only market profile. See here, these are the high volume node. Okay, this overall swing, right? Similarly, similarly, we have the short term references. This is the balance, out of balance. The market is out of balance. Correct? Market is out of balance right here.
Yes, sir.
So once out of balance, there is any possibility to stop within the market this area? Almost, almost imbalance area, right? That is almost near to this balance. So how we can follow? How we can follow? I'll show in the market profile. See, A period you are happy, B period you are happy, C period you are happy. In D period, feel, slightly you feel worry, right? Because slightly overlapping, correct? In D period and after C period and D period we have overlapping, right? Here we have approach. This is the balance zone. This is the balance zone. Once the went off, again go and test and back. So these are all you still you have to continue your learning journey. These are the areas yet to you learn. Sorry to tell. Still we have to continue our learning. Suresh sir? Okay. We can have
Sure.
to, yeah. We have to continue our learning. If you continue your learning the same way, same approach, you are asking question, right? Similarly, you have to continuously you have to ask the question, still get the answer. Here is the answer is there. This is the balance area. Once the balance crossed by the market and again they're not able to enter in the balance because this downside auction is strong and the upside turn auction not able to prove that strength here, definitely get rejected and back. Okay, by day you continue your auction process, you will feel this. For example, here the low come, right? Market low come. So what happened? Not able to continue. Not able to continue. So here, if you think this is the inside, we already have some one P profile, then rejected. Then again, they tried this E period. Again, try the P period. Still not able to come out of the balance. So we have lot of continuous learning we need. This is the one type of method we have to be see the market profile, breaking the session of the day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So keep in touch with me.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So each and every each and every period, as a market profile trader, definitely you'll get the answer. Even if you miss the even if you miss the live trade, you'll get the answer. So it's a continuous process. You are preparing yourself day by day, get the answer for your miss outs. Definitely one day you will not miss out on the live trade day. I will guarantee. Okay.
The challenge is that need to predict the market for the
No,
day.
no, the
That's the
challenge is
biggest.
no, 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 no. I am telling the challenge is a trade plan. Challenge is a trade plan. We always using the following trade plan. That's the problem. Market is going down, we are going. The coming down, then we stop. We are vibrating. No, this already market is triggered here. Already the trade plan is downside is fixed. Follow the downside trade plan, and we hold till proper confirmation for upside. That's we are not doing, right. We making buying at 49,300 and exit at 2,200. That's why we are our trade plan is poor. Our trade plan is poor. Directly it tells trade plan is poor. So we should know what type of trade plan for the day. That also we have to prepare daily. What type of trade plan is better for the day? What I missed? You make a journal, write a journal. Today market behave like that. Which trade plan I taken that is not suitable for this particular day? So which trade plan is suitable for this day? We have to choose that trade plan and follow. Example, you can sell the call. If you sell the call, it's a good approach. Just I'm telling one example. So that's it. Almost 2 hours over now. So any other questions I can answer. Otherwise, we'll wind up for the day. So let me see on the another good session. Definitely. Thanks Simbu for coordinating the session, and thanks Aditya sir for providing the reference to the new members. At least get the overview of market profile. So last session I give complete overview of market profile, how to read the market profile, how to watch the market profile by in the day trade by period. These are the areas we covered in the last week session. So this week session I given the importance of why we need to learn the market profile and why we need the proper mentorship learning through completing the proper understanding of market profile is a continuous learning process. And I provided few of the sample questions, how to we miss the opportunity, how we can retain ourselves while we are preparing the context trading plans. Okay, so the context trading plan is very important. While we are approaching the market, definitely we have to do context of the what is the latest day happen, what is the previous day happen, what is the recent days approach are the at least we should know top to bottom areas. Here what are the reference? Here this is the triple distribution day, right? So here the triple distribution reference are there. Okay, and again we got the rejection, and same this is the balance day, and post that while we are entering this day, these are the reference are available. Here we have lot of anomalies in this area. So there is a possibilities to clear the anomalies. Market once they break these balances, came here. Which anomaly is stronger? This is not stronger. This balance is not stronger. This balance is not stronger. This particular single print reference is stronger. While market coming down, coming down, coming down. This is the first reference, second reference, and third reference, and the next reference, and single print the next reference. Then finally Where the price find the buyer, this single print find the buyer, market closed here. This buyer is strong, then clear this high and proceed further. If the buyer is not strong, the seller is strong, definitely market tomorrow maybe open here and get the reject and come back and clear this single print and test this balance. So this is the way we have to be prepared with the proper context, with the proper reference marking, and we have to approach the market stage by stage. When the open, what is auction process? Then next of what is auction process? Stage by stage, we have to follow it. Then we can able to understand the market approachly by quite period. So thereafter, you will become an expert in the market. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best. Best wishes. Continues your learning. Okay. So that is my only one suggestion I'm telling to everyone. Don't give up, never give up. So never give up attitudes is our Indians. Okay, don't give up. We are entering the trading community, but we should prove as a successful trader. That is our ambition, because a lot of people are watching around us, right? Our friends, our relatives, our family members are watching us, right? What we going to do success in the trading. We have to answer them correctly. We are the successor in the trading, right? So these are the things I shared in my today's session. So what are the difficulties we are facing? What are the things we have to avoid? How to overcome through the continuous learning? Okay, if you are willing to continuous learning, definitely I will be stand with you. No question on that point. Okay, through the market profile. Already a lot of members I trained for the last 3 months. The first set of people started trading now, so they have a lot of experience. So if you want to discuss with my membership members uh, in the telegram group, we can find the feedback of our membership program people. Here the feedbacks are properly provided. You can message any of the members given the feedback and get this discussion whether this particular mentorship program is suitable for you or not. If it really is suitable, don't delay. As soon as you can join, that is benefit to you, because I'm not a batch based trainer. I'm trying to make individual training for a few sessions and understand the learner's psychology. Then only I will add it in the batch. Before adding in the batch, I will do some internal daily individual session with these people. Then only I will approach on that. So if you are anybody willing to join my mentorship program, please liaise with these people. And these are all people of already learned the market profile, then for the continuous learning, joining with me. But here I'm not teaching only the market profile. I give teaching mainly on the how to use the option strategies to align with our market profile strategy. So here we are making the alignment of our one side. I increase the knowledge in the market profile. Once the knowledge is increased, then I give the guidance how to align our option strategies with market profile to get the good money. This is our way of approach in the market. So you can take time, discuss with here the members who are all posted their honest comment here, make individual discussion with them. You can think this particular mentorship is suitable for you. Then you have to decide. Once you decided, don't delay. That is my only suggestion. Okay, you take decision, delay. That's good. Before taking any decision, we have to analyze. So once you're taking the decision, don't delay to join, because that is the challenges now a lot of people are facing. Okay. Uh, Here the two language I'm taking the session. One is the English and Tamil. I doesn't know Hindi, so that's why I'm not able to support the Hindi language. Uh, so that the mediating language is our English language we are utilizing. Few of the uh, Northeast members also joined in my group, and few of the people from Maharashtra and Gujarat also joined in my group. They are learning through the English language. Okay, so they're feeling good in market profile now. So day by day they will improve. But my mentorship program, not a 10 days or 15 days program. This is a 3 months program. First 1 month continuous learning, then the second month fully practical approach. The third month we all discuss until all the doubt clearance and distance and get a clarity in the market. Then start the trading. Okay, so 3 months my tenor. Some of the member have the capability, they overcome in 45 days. Some of the members have the capability overcome in 60 days. Okay, this depends upon its individuality skills. And same time, if the office goers and they are doing other business, definitely they're not able to give more time in the practice. That's why taking time. The people who are a full-time trader, they will utilize very good in a month and learn and complete. Then they will understand clearly. Then they will know how much capital is required, what is the money management. Then they're taking a look on how to do further in the market in the success side. Okay. Uh, so just now came here after mentorship, after mentor, come here after. Okay, that's not mentorship. That is a foundation course. So the definition of mentorship is completely different. Please check the meaning of that. So something you are completing the course is not a mentorship. Okay, sorry Shiva. Okay, thank you. All the best. Keep in touch. If you are in any tough situation in the market, any chart you are taking the position in the equity, I think you can share the post in the group. We'll guide you. So whether which side we have to hold or not or get out. Okay. Thank you. Feel see here the language is not a barrier. We have a communication in the group in English language and approach easily and people friendly. If member any new member in the group, please message your Telegram ID or other details we add in our group to have the regular interaction with us. Okay. All the best. Happy trading. Wishes for the success. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
கம்பெனிக்கு அவ்வளவுதான்.